Welcome to Crypto Studio 247. My name is Ty. On this channel, we provide you with cryptocurrency alpha, news, analysis, interviews, and so much more. If this is your first time on our channel, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also share it with a friend. Today's video is going to be about the top 5 coins for the month of August. It's coming a little later than our usual monthly top 5 videos. However, today's video is going to be full of information and alpha and details that will help you make the best investing decisions. So if you're new to this channel, again, please subscribe to our channel. Please like this content and share it with a friend. Want to remind everybody that all the information we provide on this channel, it is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence. If you're not following us on Twitter, give us a follow. We're building up our social media presence, and that's where you'll get a lot of information about what we're looking at, what our thoughts are. In the event we can't get a video out on time, then Twitter is a great place so you can see exactly what's going on in the cryptocurrency industry. Again, reminder guys, this video is not financial advice. Use this as a benchmark, use this as a starting point, do your own due diligence. It is absolutely necessary. So the very first coin we're going to talk about today, it is Elrond. Now, Elrond is currently priced at $64.42. And if you've seen some of our previous videos when we mentioned Elrond, you could have got Elrond below $55 just a few weeks ago. But we still think at the current price, Elrond is a coin that you must have on your radar. So what is Elrond? Elrond is a blockchain protocol that seeks to offer extremely fast transaction speeds by using sharding. The project describes itself as a technology ecosystem for the new internet, which includes fintech, decentralized finance, and the Internet of Things. Its smart contracts execution platform is reportedly capable of 15,000 transactions per second, 6-second latency, and a 0.001 transaction cost. Now, the blockchain has a native token known as eGold or EGLD that is used for paying network fees, staking, and rewarding validators. Now, Elrond was first announced in 2019, and its main net went live in July 2020. So, very healthy volume, $2 billion fully diluted market cap, excellent team, strong leadership. You can see if you look at this chart that the token has been as high as over $500. This is showing $490. So it is quite down from its all-time high. They've got a tremendous app that you can use for holding your eGold tokens, for staking your eGold tokens. They got a great launchpad that gives token holders and stakers the opportunity to be able to participate in launchpad projects. So if you're not familiar with Elrond, we highly recommend this is a project that you look into. Great website, again, very strong team. This is a team that's constantly innovating, constantly launching new things. So we like Elrond quite a bit. Simple to buy, easy to stake, great wallet platform that's available as well. Next, we've got Optimism. Now, Optimism is currently priced at $1.93, and it recently hit an all-time high of over $2.14. So what is Optimism? You may have heard of it before. A lot of excitement surrounding Optimism. It's essentially Ethereum scaled. So Optimism is a layer 2 blockchain on top of Ethereum. Optimism benefits from the security of Ethereum mainnet and helps scale the Ethereum ecosystem by using optimistic rollups. That means transactions are trustlessly recorded on Optimism, but ultimately secured on Ethereum. Now, Optimism is one of the biggest scaling solutions for Ethereum, with over 300 million in total value locked. It is home to 35 protocols, the biggest being Synthetics, a derivative exchange, Uniswap. These are some of the protocols that are homes to Optimism. So the great thing about Optimism is that it's led by the Optimism Foundation, and they are a non-profit organization dedicated to growing the Optimism ecosystem. So some of the things that make Optimism unique: Optimism is designed around 4 core tenets: simplicity, pragmatism, sustainability, and optimism. So Optimism aims for the minimum number of moving parts while building a layer 2 solution for Ethereum. In practice, this means using proven Ethereum code and infrastructure when possible. So you can see all of the different projects that are being built on Optimism. You can also see that they've got a ton of on-chain value here with over 800 million, and they've saved Ethereum users over $1 billion in gas fees. So if you have used Ethereum, you know that the cost of using Ethereum can be pretty expensive. So Optimism helps to reduce those costs for users. So if you're not familiar with Optimism, get it on your radar. Next, we've got Near Protocol. So Near Protocol currently trading at $5.55. Near has had an all-time high of above $20. Got quite a bit of a large supply, but that's okay. Fully diluted market cap is $5 billion. We think Near has a lot of potential. They've got a tremendous VC backing. They recently did a raise of over $300 million for their ecosystem fund. So there's a lot of cool things happening with Near Protocol. Specifically, Near's having a very large conference coming up, and that's for investors, for developers, for engineers. NearCon is what it's called, and there's a lot of excitement building up around that event. So we highly recommend taking a look at Near if you are not familiar with it. It is one of our favorite layer 1 blockchains. Now, Near Protocol, it is a layer 1 blockchain that was designed as a community-run cloud computing platform, and that eliminates some of the limitations that have been bogging competing blockchains, such as low transaction speeds, low throughput, and poor interoperability. This provides the ideal environment for dApps and creates a developer and user-friendly platform. So for instance, Near uses human readable account names, unlike the cryptographic wallet addresses that are common to Ethereum. Near also introduces unique solutions to scaling problems and has its own consensus mechanism called Doomslug. Now, the website is beautiful. And as you can see here, you can get early bird tickets for NearCon. This is happening in Lisbon, Portugal from September 11th to the 14th. A lot of great things are happening with Near. This is a very exciting ecosystem. This is a very exciting blockchain. We see a lot of potential with Near. Obviously, there are many layer 1 blockchains for you to choose from. However, we like Near a lot. We think you should put it on your radar. If you've made it this far in the video, guys, please do us a favor, subscribe to our channel. Please like this video and leave your comments below if you think for the month of August that we've missed a really great crypto project. Next, we've got Solana. Now, Solana is a very popular blockchain. It has been considered to be somewhat controversial. However, the current price is $42.54, and we look at our all-time chart, it's been as high as over $250. Now, Solana is one of the fastest blockchains. So Solana is a highly functional open source project that banks on blockchain technology's permissionless nature to provide decentralized finance solutions. While the idea and initial work on the project began in 2017, Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation with headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. The Solana protocol is designed to facilitate dApps creation. It aims to improve scalability by including a proof of history consensus combined with the underlying proof of stake consensus of the blockchain. Now, Solana is a very popular blockchain. There have been some issues. There's been some challenges with regards to downtime. It is one of the more popular layer 1 blockchains that supports NFTs. So one of the biggest things that we were expecting was a huge Solana summer. It didn't really happen, depending on who you ask. In our opinion, it did not. However, we're still bullish on Solana. One of the things that people often forget about Solana is the fact that it is still in beta. So a lot of great things are happening with Solana. We're noticing the amount of users and addresses continue to grow. That's a very important metric. So there's a lot of data that supports the growing ecosystem for Solana despite some of the challenges that they are having. Now, one of the things that I want to mention as well about Solana is the fact that Solana is known in the cryptocurrency space because of the incredibly short processing times the blockchain offers. So Solana's hybrid protocol allows for significantly decreased validation times for both transaction and smart contract execution. So when you're looking at speed, Solana is one of the premier blockchains that's available for users. So if you're not familiar with Solana, again, do some due diligence, take a deeper look into it. The tokenomics is something that we like, and it's something that we think is in a great position to be able to be part of the growing crypto ecosystem for years to come. So put Sol on your radar, check out the website, check out their GitHub, hop on their Twitter, and Solana is one of the most popular blockchains. There's so much information about it, but if you're not familiar with it, put it on your radar. Now, last but not least, let's see here. Last but not least, we are going to talk about Polkadot. Now, Polkadot is currently $9.19, and Polkadot has an all-time high of over $50. Now, institutions have shown that outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the third most popular cryptocurrency asset outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum happens to be Polkadot. So institutions are buying DOT token. So that I think is a very important piece of information. The Polkadot ecosystem has a large amount of developers. So there's a ton of developer activity happening on this ecosystem. We believe that this is going to be one of the flourishing blockchains for years to come. They got a great community. They've got a great team of developers. They've got wonderful leadership in Dr. Gavin Wood. And so these are some of the things that are exciting about Polkadot. Now, let's get a little bit more specific. Polkadot is an open source sharded multi-chain protocol that connects and secures a network of specialized blockchains, facilitating cross-chain transfer of any data or asset types, not just tokens, thereby allowing blockchains to be interoperable with each other. Polkadot was designed to provide a foundation for a decentralized internet of blockchains, also known as Web3. Now, Polkadot is known as a layer 0 meta protocol because it underlies and describes a format for a network of layer 1 blockchains known as parachains. As a meta protocol, Polkadot is also capable of autonomously and forklessly updating its own code base via on-chain governance according to the will of its token holder community. We like Polkadot a lot. There's a lot of wonderful things being built on Polkadot. We think it's got a tremendous value at its current price, and there's a chance that we could continue to see these prices continue to come down. But at its current price, we think that this is an exceptional piece of technology and an exceptional growing community. So these are our 5 tokens for the month of August. Just to recap, number 1, we've got Elrond. Number 2, we've got Optimism. Number 3, we've got Near. Number 4, we've got Polkadot. And number 5, we've got Solana. So if you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, leave any comments below if you think that there is a cryptocurrency project that should have been on this list. We thank you so much for your support. We look forward to making another video for you soon. And have a wonderful day, friends. Take care. Talk to you soon.